When I installed the power steering kit, I ordered all the parts that I needed, but the filter, which is recommended to be installed on the return line, was back ordered. So I did the entire installation without the filter, and everything was running good for about 6 months. And then I heard a clanking noise, kind of like maybe the vein or one of the veins in the pump had let loose. So CPP has a good warranty on their products, and I could have taken it out and returned it, but that would have meant driving it down to their shop and letting them inspect it, and or shipping it down there. And bottom line is the truck is running so good. I gave my car to my daughter, at least temporarily, and I kind of rely on the truck as my daily driver now. So I just bought another pump and replaced it. And when I replaced it, of course, I also installed the filter, which I had received sometime during that 6-month span. So one advantage to having installed the pump without the filter the first time is it kind of showed me how the lines were running and where I could find a long enough straight section to install the filter. Here you can see I've installed it right here from there to there with the fittings and everything, and the clamps, hose clamps, and this is on the return line. Here you can see coming out of the pump, it takes an immediate turn to go down, and towards the bottom it takes another turn to go to the power steering box. So this right here is the only really straight section where that filter fits in nicely. The other thing to note is since the installation was completed earlier, the bracket was installed, the power steering box was installed, and really just swapping out the pump itself was pretty straightforward and easy.